Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? You can call me Kat, and today we are going to try and make butter. Now this is how it all started. What happened was that I have always wondered how people make butter. And I came across this channel. It's called the Simple Cooking Channel, and he showed me how to make butter in about 3 minutes. So I thought to myself, wow, this is something I've really got to try. So this is something I'm going to try today. I have no idea whether it's going to be a success or it's going to just fail miserably, but let's just give it a go. The first thing that you need is obviously a bowl, which I have here in front of me. In the video, he said you need fresh cream. I think he said fresh cream, and that's about 40%. Unfortunately, this, as you can see, is 35% milk fat. So I'm hoping that this will work. We'll see whether it does. He did say that you need 600 milliliters, so I'll just be using this container to measure because I don't have a proper measuring cup. And obviously, once the butter is ready, if I can actually make butter, you need containers to put them in. Okay. You need a whisk. You can use a hand whisk or an electric whisk. I don't want to use my hand, and I want this to only take about 3 minutes, as he says, so electric whisk it is. Great. Now I've got my measuring cup, so I'm gonna try and not spill this. What did he say? 60 milliliters? Was it 600? I think it was 600. 600. That's I would say is 600. Yeah, about that much. Okay. I'm just going to pour this into the mixing bowl, like so. Okay. Okay. It goes in like this. Switch it on, bring it down. Now, okay, in the video, he says to actually have it on medium speed at first for about 1 minute and at high speed for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to start with the low setting. Okay, we'll start with the low setting, which is probably 1. And then he said to go at about 3 minutes at a high setting. Okay, it's been more than 3 minutes. So as you can see, that's possibly the buttermilk, and this is the butter. I'm going to take off the whisk, and I'm going to try and squeeze the butter from the buttermilk. Now you can use your hands, but if you feel like that's too disgusting, you don't have to use your hands. You can put on a pair of gloves. I'm just going to use my hands. Okay. This is butter, homemade butter. You're supposed to squeeze out as much of the buttermilk as you can. It's all gooey. Let's put this in. So I've managed to get about a container full, but it still has some buttermilk inside. Can we call it a success? I suppose so. It actually works. I'm going to try and taste this butter. If you put it in the fridge, it will last about 2 weeks. No idea what this tastes like. It's creamy, to be honest. Maybe it's because I know it's the carton says whipping cream, it does taste a bit like whipping cream. Maybe because I didn't whisk it long enough, but like I said, it was splashing all over the place. I decided to maybe cut it, the whisking time a bit short. So there you go. To be honest with you, it looks like margarine, but I'll take out a block of butter that I already bought and let's compare. Let's look at the color. Okay, I'm back. Now this is Lurpak butter. This is the color. And this is my so-called homemade butter. So there you go. And you have buttermilk left over. I haven't properly sieved this, but I will probably use it for my next project, where I'm going to try and make scones using the buttermilk. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Over and out.